Right everybody, this is the head back from the machine shop, just freshly picked up, all skimmed, all fixed, all the damaged areas there, all repaired. Just gotta wash it down now, get all that swarf out of it, and then wait for the head gasket so we can start putting it back together. So the head gasket has arrived from Real Street 2 days early as well, which is nice. We'll start putting this back together, start sticking all the pieces back on, and then once we get it all back on, we're going to take it out of this bay, take it down here, over to there, move the tools out the way, stick it on that dyno. So we've started to flat back the head, cleaned that up, also started to quickly rebuild bits of the head, some of the housings back on, and stick the manifolds back on it and get that back on. I shall catch up with everybody later on when we get it all back together. So a little bit of an update. As you can see, most of it is all back together now. All back on, all back on. Everything plugged back in. The only thing we still need to do is put in the cams, set the time in, put all the fluids back into the engine. But I think we will finish for tonight and come back and do that in the morning. So car is back together. As you can see, it is currently sat on the dyno, ready for some tunage.